Chicago forecast, high wind warning in effect until 7 p.m. with morning showers, cloudy skies. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Kendall County, DeKalb County, and Kane County until 12 p.m. According to the National Weather Service, severe thunderstorms in northeast Illinois are moving eastward at 40 miles per hour, with wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour. Damage to roofs, trees and siding is possible, with the storms potentially the following communities: Aurora, Joliet, Elgin, Plainfield, Bartlett, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Oswego, Algonquin, West Chicago, Batavia, Huntley, Geneva, Sycamore, DeKalb, Yorkville, Minooka, Morris, Channahon, and Campton Hills.A. gusty Saturday is in store for the Chicago area this weekend, as a high wind warning is in effect until 7 p.m. Saturday evening. Following a week of seasonally cool temperatures, a cold front heading toward the Chicago area is poised to drop temperatures for the remainder of the weekend. Saturday is expected to start out a bit rainy, with one round of precipitation anticipated to hit the Chicago area by around 10 a.m.